Hello everyone, my name is Priya Elizabeth with system number URK17CS073. Today we are going to see experiment number 1, that is implementation of stack and its application using arrays. The aim of this experiment is to implement stack using arrays. So this is the program. Here we are going to implement the stack operation. We are initializing an array with size of 20, top as -1 and n. Here the user is asking to enter the size of the stack and then we are getting the input from the user. We are checking if the stack is full or not. If top is the first element of the top is the starting of the stack, top is equal to n-1, like so it will show like the stack is full, or else it will return as false. If the stack is empty, the operation is top will be considering as -1, so it will return true if stack is empty, or else false. We are going to push the value into the stack. So first we need to check like the stack is full or not. So we are calling the isFull function in here. If it's not full, else we'll increment the top value from top will become top plus 1, and then we are putting the data into the top, putting the data, that is x, into the top value. So we can see that the value is pushed, and in this integer pop, in this pop operation, we are removing the first element of the stack. That is, stack works as first in last out. So the last element which we have entered in the stack will be the first one to get out of the stack. So we are checking like if the stack is empty, we are calling the function is empty to check whether the stack is empty. If it's empty, we can't do the pop operation. If it's not empty, we'll decrement the stack value as a top minus. So the value is popped successfully, and finally we are displaying whatever with the help of for loop. We'll be displaying the stack array, stack with the stack as an array. So in our main function, we have initialized CSM as int and the stack class object as a. So our choice, a.choice, is menu. We are entering our own choice, like we have to see if it's to do the push operation, pop operation is full, to see if it's full, it's empty, and display and exit the stack. So is the choice using the switch statement. We are implementing all the case 1, 2, 3. Case 1 is the push operation. With the help of for loop, we are initializing all the like how many elements we have to enter, and then calling the push function into the in this case 1. And in this pop operation, we are calling the pop function in this main function. And then to check whether the stack is full, we are calling the full function. If it's full, we'll directly go to the menu bar. Similarly, to display the elements, also to exit the program, will return 0 and then break the program. If the choice is invalid, it will show the choice is invalid. So next experiment is to show infix to post, to show the next aim of this experiment is to implement infix to postfix using stack operation. So here you can see we have initialized a class called stack, whose instance variables are as top and then array, and then there is a stack called top initializing the top. We're initializing the top's value as -1, and array's size is 20, and then s is 20. So we're checking if the stack is empty or not. If the stack is empty, it will return true, or else it will return false. True if it's full, if top is equals to s minus 1, the size of the stack -1, so it will return true or else false. we are pushing the value into the stack. If it's full, it will return, like we are calling the full function, or else we are increasing. Similarly we have done in the stack operation. So we are checking the precedence of the character, which character is having the higher precedence. If the character C, if C is equals to this thing, so we'll return third one. Else if C is multiplication sign or division sign, the second precedence is goes to this. If else if C is plus or minus sign, first precedence goes to this. Now this is our infix to postfix conversion program. We are having an argument called string str. Stack st is the object created, and then we are going to push the values. We are initializing the length of the string which we are getting from the user. This is the length of the string from the user. We are initializing for loop and checking, like if the string is is a character like A to Z and then capital A to capital Z. If that's so, we'll increment the ns value with the help of string, like string character by character, one element by one element. Else if we'll check if the brackets are there, or push operation will do the push operation if this brackets are there until the top is not equal to n, and the top is not equal to this character. It will do the pop operation, and then ns will be incremented. If top is equals to this character, the character C is st will be top, and then stack will be the element will be pop. Else if we are checking the same thing, if the character is we are doing the same for the character also. Now finally in our main function we'll see, like the stack is we are initializing a stack called infix string exp, so expression. So we have to enter the equation infix to postfix expression. For this, if we are running the program, you can see if they are asking us to enter the equation, like I am entering like a plus b. A is like stored in the memory. This is going to the stack. And B is also stored in the memory. This is going to stack. C is going to stack, and then multiplication is going to stack, and then D is coming to this. And then when this one comes, these elements are popped out from the stack to the memory. Similarly, in the stack operation, when we are implementing the stack, when we are running the code, we have to enter the stack size. I am entering it as 3. We are doing the push operations. The elements to be pushed are, I am writing it as 2, and element 1 as 1, value push element 1 as 2. So I'm trying to display the element, like its display elements are 1 and 2. We are doing the pop operations. To do the pop operation, pop value is 2, we can say, and then again we are displaying the elements as 5. So we can see only one element is there. So that's the end of the program. Thank you.